Monte Cristo sandwich, easy for breakfast, brunch, lunch. It's packed with protein and relatively healthy when we're going to throw it in the broiler to finish up. I'll show you how easily it's put together and you can enjoy a Monte Cristo sandwich. Start with the bread, give it a little bit of mayonnaise on one side, say a teaspoon, excuse you, and on the other slice of bread, we'll put about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Spread them both. Get it fairly even. And next, we assemble with the meat and cheese. I got 2 slices of honey roasted uncured ham, about an ounce. And I've got 2 slices of honey roasted turkey, also an ounce. And then could put your favorite melty cheese. My cheese of choice today is Havarti. I love it. It's creamy, it's got a pull. And next, you can close up shop on the sandwich, tuck in some of that meat, set it aside. And I'm going to do half a cup of whole milk and 1 egg. Plop. Mix that together. That's going to be our batter. Break up the yolk. And I happened to stop by the nutmeg store again. I always love nutmeg when it comes to dairy and egg dishes. Throw in bread, it's out of control. You know it's a good combo because nutmeg is usually in your pie spices, pumpkin spice, apple pie spice. You can also find it in garam masala. You can find it in quatre épices. Let's get a little bit more nutmeg freshly ground in there. 2 pinches, 1/8 of a teaspoon. And I'll put a little black pepper, freshly ground. Whisk it up again. All mixed. Kind of smells like eggnog. Yeah. How about some cinnamon? That'll really spice it up, add a little depth. Not all cinnamons are created equal. There is the original Ceylon cinnamon, Sri Lanka cinnamon. And that one is sweeter, less pungent, but that's the OG. Now we're going to take our sandwich and dip it into the egg wash. Give it a few seconds on that side. Give it a few seconds on that side, soak in a little bit. This is a 1/2 inch slice of bread on each side of the sandwich, weighing in at about 68 grams. And this is the homemade bread that I posted earlier. Might want to check that out because homemade bread, there's nothing like it. There's no additives, nothing that contributes to the bloat like the enriched wheat flours. No bueno. I stick with this and I'm good to go. I can eat slice after slice and not feel that heaviness that I usually get from store-bought bread. Anyway, we're going to stick this in the broiler. Want to get it nice and toasty on top. It's going to cook through the egg in the batter and melt the cheese, and we'll have our Monte Cristo. All right. By the sound of the bell, sounds done. Let's take a look Ah, nice and toasty on top. I'm going to give it a flip and see if I have color on that side too. Oh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Got some color, but I'll give it some more time in the broiler. So talking about the spices, they all have their benefits. Largely cinnamon helps with insulin resistance. Nutmeg is anti-inflammatory and is also a relaxing aid. And black pepper is anti-inflammatory as well. Black pepper and cinnamon work together so that the cinnamon doesn't break down in your digestive system before you can get the full benefits from the cinnamon. Looks brown. I think it's time to take it out and put it to Chowtown. Let's check on this now. Ooh, crusty, crunchy, perfect. Try to flip this out on the cutting board and show you how beautiful it is inside. It's got steam rising out of it. I'm going to finish it with a little bit of cinnamon. If you want to take it up a notch, make it a little more luxurious, you can add powdered sugar on top, a drizzle of maple syrup. And this is some of that Sri Lankan cinnamon sweetener. So I'm going to keep this a little bit lower calorie by not having fried it in a pan, not adding the powdered sugar or the syrup. But you might want to add that. It's delicious that way. A little bit of jam. It's out of control. Speaking of out of control, I can't control the next bite. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit subscribe in the corner of that screen. Let me know in the comments if you have other go-to easy homemade breakfast, brunch, lunch treats. And check out the perfect sandwich bread recipe that I posted so you can get homemade bread like this, no fillers, perfect. Doesn't need preservatives because it doesn't last that long in our pantry. Nom, 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 nom.